Okay, I got my little fur things for the microphones. Got the microphone with a fur thing on it. Kind of reminds me like a wig for maybe a mouse or without the when they're just sitting there, not on a microphone. If you've ever heard the phrase "I don't give a rat's ass," that's kind of what that looks like. Like the severed end of a rat. That's kind of what that looks like. I don't know what I think of that, but I've got one. I got two mics turned on right now. I just want to see what they sound like. That's a little. I got the receiver plugged into my cell phone. Let me put this down. Let me show you what else I got. I got a frequency counter. This was about $13 or something. Let's see if I can. It's got a 9-volt. I need to be careful I don't tear that out of the circuit board. Let me turn this on, show you real quick. Here we go. Is it zero? It says 0 megahertz, but it's kind of hard to see that. I can't get to focus, but that antenna. It came with that antenna. That antenna is like off of. It was a Wi-Fi adapter. I had just brought the antenna off of that, but it is about $13 or something. I need to make some type of housing from that so I can, so I can take that in the field and use it for stuff. But I'll tell you what I got it for. I got a bunch of these. If I can, it's right here. So crystal. Now the company that sells surplus electronics had like a box of these, like about 50 of them or 200 of them for $5 or $20 or something. I got a whole bunch of these little things. They got 4 wire pins. Now you put 5 volts on one set of pins and 5 volts DC, and the other one is the RF output. This particular one is like 16 point some megahertz, but the crystals I got are all over the place. From some of them 5 megahertz, some of them are up 20, 30 megahertz, somewhere in there. I don't remember exactly where they were, but when I first got them, I looked at them and I said, well, sometime I'm going to build myself like a signal generator. Just pick about 4 or 5 frequencies I want, just wire up those crystals, little switches, so I can make myself a signal, an RF signal source. But just some ideas I had. But I want to get I want to hook up some of these CB radios, key them up, and see if they're close to the right frequencies. Before I go out and use them. But that's what I got that. The frequency counter for. It goes from like 0 to 500 megahertz, something like that. Plus, I can go around my pickup and see if anybody's got, some type of tracking device on there. Of course, I have no idea. Well, if somebody wants to track me, that's fine. I don't care. They'll probably die of boredom. Okay, we'll see how this sounds. If it sounds good, I'll post it. Okay, bye-bye. Well, I'll probably go out to Buckeye tomorrow. I've got to finish a job out there. I'll probably head up the restaurant. What used to be a restaurant, the Cow Puncher. The only thing left after the sign, but I'll kind of go on that tomorrow. I'm going to test out these microphones out in the wind and just see how they sound. But I'm going to take my camera. I'll probably set it on a tripod and just walk around and just see how what type of distance I got on these microphones. Okay, bye bye.